There are more than 10 deserts in the United States. There are more than 10 major deserts in the United States. The most famous of these include the Mojave Desert, Sonoran Desert, and Great Basin Desert. The United States is home to one of the world's largest birds. The United States is home to the California Condor. With its wingspan of up to 3 meters or more, it is one of the largest birds in the world. Wasn't George Washington the first president of the United States? Although John Hanson, who was president of the United States Congress in 1781 after the American Revolutionary War, is considered to be essentially the first president, George Washington is officially considered the first president of the United States. Jazz is a musical genre born in the United States. Jazz was born in the United States in the early 20th century. New Orleans is its birthplace and is rooted in the musical traditions of the Black community. Peanut butter originated in the United States. Peanut butter was invented in the United States. George Washington Carver famously popularized the peanut-based product. The world's oldest national park is in the United States. The world's oldest national park is Yellowstone National Park in the U.S., established in 1872. It is known for its rich natural scenery and wildlife.